Hi everybody, this is Dr. Sigler. I am coming to you from a hotel room with my dog and two cats. Hopefully this is going to work with the internet that I have in my room. So we're going to go ahead with Module 2. This is Chapter 2, the environment and corporate culture. So we're looking at the internal and external environment of the organization in which managers and leaders have to act. Okay, so you're reading Chapter 2. Again, there's a discussion board, a written assignment, a MindTap quiz, and a MindTap assignment. So first is the discussion. The discussion is going to be about culture. So we define culture as the set of key values, beliefs, understandings, and norms shared by members of an organization. So you can't actually see those things, but you can look at some physical artifacts or manifestations of the culture to try to figure it out. So your book specifically identifies symbols, stories, heroes, slogans, and rituals as artifacts that can be analyzed to help understand corporate culture, but I'm going to ask you to look at the Citadel culture for this discussion. So you all have been here for 2 years. You should know what is values, what is believed, what are the norms and understandings about this organization. So for the discussion board, I'd like you to identify and describe an example of each type of artifact found at the Citadel, and then describe the corresponding value, belief, understanding, or norm. So for example, the symbol, I said the ring. I'm sure is a symbol, and my guess is it demonstrates accomplishment and graduation, but you can let me know what it means to you. So post your responses to the discussion board sometime this week. If you don't do it by Wednesday, since I'm just letting you know we're doing it, that's okay. And then try to finish up with responses to 2 other posts by Sunday at midnight. The written assignment is to any organization, and just identify and describe the environment. So see the attachment gives you all the different aspects of the general task and internal environment. So write a short summary of each part of the environment shown. There should be 13 different summaries along with the description of the organization. If you pick something I know, like Amazon, you don't really need to describe it. So that's an individual written assignment that you should submit. To submit it, you click on the task 2. Then go into MindTap and complete the assignment and the quiz for Chapter 2. Let me know if you have any questions about that. Otherwise, I'll be going in and grading your work from the first week. Let me know if you have any questions.